Hello and welcome to DIY by the Pond. Today we'll be turning a large grass area in our yard into a rock bed. Let's get started.
It's like when I first set it, I'm so tight on the string, but once I set up two others, it pulled off.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's consistent. Because the rocks move around.
So as you can see, we put the rock bed around the border of our yard, and now it's time for us to decorate and garden. This is a stackable planter that we put next to the rock bed. I also added a shepherd's hook with a hanging plant along with this wind spinner. At the other end of the rock bed, we added this St. Francis statue and a lantana, which is a drought-tolerant flowering shrub. It does really well in Texas. We thought this bird bath would be a great addition, and we've already had some visitors. I also added a few potted plants, including bluebonnets. Here's a closer look at our raised planter. I have a couple of videos up on our channel on how we do these stackable planters. We really love the way this rock bed turned out. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.